Hello, guys! First, open viralreach.social and go to the sign up page. Once you're on the sign up page, enter your email address. You can use a temporary email or your Gmail, whichever you prefer. Next, fill in your first name and last name. Be sure not to include any numbers in the name fields. Now, create a password. For example, something like 1261234456. Once your password is set, check the box to verify you're not a robot. Then, review the terms and conditions and, when ready, click on the Sign Up button. After signing up, you should see a message saying, "Thank you for signing up." Please check your email for verification. Now, let's go to our email inbox. When the verification email arrives, open it and click the activation link provided. This link will take you to the activation page, where you're all set to continue. With your account activated, go back to viralreach.social. Enter your email and the password you created. Again, like 1261234456. Check the Remember Me option if you'd like, and click Login. And there you have it. You're now logged in and ready to explore viralreach.social. Thank you, and let's see what comes next.